Hello, we are on book How to Win Friends and Influence People. And in part 1, the fundamental techniques in handling people, the second chapter is the big secret of dealing with people. Have you ever wondered how great it will be if you have a magical power to get any work done or to get anybody do anything? Yes, that is possible. And there is only one way to get anybody do anything. That is by making the other person want to do it. Of course, I am not talking about the way where you stick a revolver on one's head to get anything done. This type of methods have undesirable repercussions. And what do you think? The only way you can get anybody do anything and by giving them what they want? What do they want? They want the feeling of importance. And whether we are introvert or extrovert, everyone among us wants to get the feeling of importance. Abraham Lincoln once began a letter saying everybody likes a compliment. And yes, that is true. We humans have a craving nature to be appreciated. We always want a compliment and we have that great desire to be important to someone. And this feeling of importance is one of the chief distinguishing differences between mankind and animals. If humans hadn't had this flaming urge for a feeling of importance, civilization would have been impossible. Without it, we would be just like animals. To illustrate this, author here tells a story when he was a farm boy. His father used to breed fine Duroc Jersey hogs and pedigreed white-faced cattle. They used to exhibit their hogs and white-faced cattle at the country fairs and livestock shows throughout the Middle West. And many times they won prizes. His father used to pin his blue ribbons that they won in the exhibition on a sheet of white muslin and used to exhibit it when they have visitors at their home. The hogs and the cattle didn't care about the ribbons they won, but his father did. These prizes gave him a feeling of importance. And yes, this desire for the feeling of importance is the key to secret. Why not fulfill this desire for the feeling of importance and make the other person to like you? Let not neglect this that everyone we meet is superior in some way than us and we can learn something from them. Honest appreciation can motivate where criticism may fail. So the next time when you meet your friend or partner or anyone, do not forget to give your honest appreciation even for their smallest achievement. And make them feel that they are important. Keep in mind the second principle from the book How to Win Friends and Influence People: give honest and sincere appreciation.